Here's another video on some calculator stuff. Remember, when you're graphing functions, you can use your calculator to do this. Once you have your equation solved for y, you can go into your calculator and hit the y equals button. Once you're here, you can type in your equation. Maybe we had the equation 1/2 x plus 2. Now, if you're putting in fractions, guys, let's go ahead and start putting them in parentheses. I have 1 divided by 2, close parentheses. The x is up here on this second from the top. It's by the alpha button. Hit x, and then maybe plus 2, okay? After you do that, you can hit the graph button. It'll show you the graph. You have some buttons next to graph like trace, where you can start moving a point up and down the line that we just graphed. You can find some axes here or your intercepts. We also have, if you hit second graph, we have the table. This is a good way to get a lot of questions answered, like if they give you f of x equals this equation, what's the range if these are the domain values? Well, you have all the range values in your x. You could just look them up and find you have all your domain values in the x. You can look up your range values in the y. Be careful when you're entering in your equation. That's probably the easiest way to mess up. If you're looking at your graph, we also can do things called zoom. Maybe I want a better picture of it, so I want to zoom out. You can hit 3. It'll bring you back to the screen. You hit enter again. Now it's zoomed out and we're getting a bigger picture. If you ever get a picture that's too big or too small, always try number 6. That's zoom standard. That'll take us back to our normal window. And then, of course, you can zoom in if you pick 2. It'll give us a closer view. So those are just some tips for using the calculator to graph. Hope that helps.